How to meditate and save money. 7 tips from a human rights yoga teacher. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore how you can incorporate the practice of meditation into your daily life while also saving money. I'm James Thompson, a human rights advocate and an experienced yoga teacher. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing 7 valuable tips to help you on this journey. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Create a meditation space. Start by designating a quiet and peaceful corner in your home that will serve as your dedicated meditation space. Personalize it with items that inspire a sense of calmness and tranquility, such as plants, candles, or a comfortable cushion. Having a designated space will help you avoid distractions and make it easier to maintain a consistent meditation practice. Tip 2. Practice mindful spending. Before making any purchase, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself if you truly need the item or if it's merely a fleeting desire. By incorporating mindfulness into your spending habits, you'll be able to cut down on impulsive purchases and save money in the long run. Tip 3. Embrace minimalism. Simplify your life by adopting a minimalist mindset. Regularly declutter your living space, getting rid of items you no longer need or use. This not only creates a peaceful environment but also helps you realize how little you actually need to be content. Tip 4. Meditate on your financial goals. Incorporate meditation into your financial planning process. Set aside specific time to meditate and visualize your financial goals, focusing on the positive outcomes you desire. This practice can help you stay focused and motivated, leading to more effective money management. Tip 5. Explore free meditation resources. Utilize the abundance of free meditation resources available to you. Whether it's meditation apps, websites, or YouTube channels offering guided meditations, there are numerous options that require no financial investment. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your meditation practice without spending money. Tip 6. Cook at home. Opt for preparing your meals at home instead of eating out frequently. Not only will this save you money, but it can also be a meditative and creative activity. Enjoy the process of selecting fresh ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and nourishing your body. Tip 7. Find community support. Seek out like-minded individuals who share your interest in meditation and saving money. Join local meditation groups or online communities where you can exchange ideas, experiences, and tips. Engaging with others can provide valuable support, accountability, and additional insights to enhance your journey. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the synergy between meditation and saving money. Remember, by creating a dedicated meditation space, practicing mindful spending, embracing minimalism, meditating on your financial goals, exploring free resources, cooking at home, and finding community support, you can experience the benefits of both practices. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Wishing you a peaceful and prosperous journey ahead.